Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on what is an angle and how to name it. So we have here the definition of an angle. So an angle is a union of two non-collinear rays. So when we say non-collinear, they are not on the same line and they have a common end point. Then the two non-collinear rays are the sides of the angle, while the common end point is the vertex. So if we're going to illustrate what an angle is, we're going to have here two non-collinear rays. So for example, if we're going to have this ray here and another ray here, so they are not in the same line or they are not collinear, and they have a common endpoint here. Let's have this one as C. Then this is a ray here, so we are going to name another point here. Let's call it D, and in here let's call it E. So this is now what an angle looks like. Now, in an angle, these two rays here are called as sides. So the name of these two angles or two sides here are sides. They are the sides. Then the common endpoint, this endpoint here is called as vertex. Okay, so common sides here, then vertex, and this is now an angle. Now in naming an angle, we can name an angle using the vertex. For example, in this case, we can name this one as angle C, and in symbol for the symbol for angle will be this symbol here, angle. So we can write angle C as angle C. We can also name an angle using three letters. So we can name this one as angle C, or we can also name that one as angle DCE. And the middle here will be the vertex. And another way of naming this one is you can also name that one as E, angle ECD. So we can name an angle using three letters, particularly if there are many confusions. For example, if we're going to have here these angles, for example, let's have this one, let's have this one as A, then B, then this is C, then the common endpoint is D. Now in this case, we cannot name this one as angle D. This is not angle D, it's because this angle here, if we're going to talk about angle D, we have two angles here, so it can cause to, or it can lead to confusion. So where's angle D here? So in this case, we're going to name this angle using three letters. For example, if we're going to specify this angle here, this angle, we can name this angle here using three letters, and this angle is angle ADB. Or another name for this one is BDA. So this angle here. So from these lines, or from this ray to this ray, this is angle BDA or angle ADB. And if we're going to talk about the angle below, this angle here, so this is the sides, or these are the sides, we can name this angle as angle BDC or angle CDB. Just remember that your middle point will be the vertex. So in this case, the vertex is D. So you are going to put that one at the center or in the middle of the 3 points. So I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.